So first you see this tool, you can see there are words here. So you can see these words, it means the motor, and these words, it means the sensor. And these two connector has different function. So first, when you see this is the align model cable, and you connect it with the model, this connector. And here are two buttons. This button means these two buttons means two direction. So first you press this button to make the gear away from the motor sensor. So like this. Right now it's in this direction. Then you change the cable to this connector. And you can see the motor gear is moving. And this light is on. The green light is on. Right now you use a small tool to block the motor sensor. And when you block it, the light will be off and the gear is stop moving. So you try 20 times like this. If it always behave like this, then it means the motor sensor is normal. So right now, the test for this sensor is finished. And after this, you connect the cable with the motor connector, and you press this button to make the gear move to the original direction, like this. So right now this motor sensor has been tested, so it's normal. Then we change to the pushing model. First, also make the cable connect with the motor connector, and press this button to make the gear away from the motor sensor. So right now you can see the motor, the gear is not in the motor sensor. Then you change the cable to another connector, the motor sensor connector, and also use a small tool to block the motor sensor. And when you block it, then it stops moving, and also the light will be off. When you move away, then it will moving, and the light will be on. And try 20 times like this. So if it behaves like this, then it means this motor sensor is normal. So this motor sensor has been tested, and this test has finished. Then after this, you remove the connector, the cable from the connector. Right now the gear, you don't need to adjust it to the original location, because it will return to the location automatically.